So, what my opponent said is that you can take there's a way to free-wave your the ACTs, but however, in our experience, in the high school that I went to, I can only free-wave only one test, and the rest I have to pay for. So not all. So that's not really true. Grades, of course, there might be some inequalities in grades because not all schools are the same. But however, how can a test determine that? According to ACT prep book that I read, it says that the test takers, the test writers, they claim that they measure the reasoning abilities, but actually all the test measures is how well you take the test. It is the most definitely not an intelligence test or an indicator of how good of a person you are. This quote I got it from that book. And actually, that prep book actually teaches you only tricks of how to have a test, but actually it does not provide skills that you learn from high school. And of course, the SAT is not the only kind of way to admit colleges. Grades, extracurriculars, interviews and others are very helpful, and not all SATs are not a good way to measure how willing the student is to actually learn and to input what they have learned in society. So, of course, not all students can afford their ACT test prep, and of course there's our free ways to prepare for them. However, not all students are able to learn by themselves. Some need coaching, and many won't be able to get them since they can't afford to be taught. So, and also have learned that that most tests the SATs are not really that reliable, which also goes in the category of standardized tests. They're not really good predictors of how well you're gonna do in college because because you have to be able to, if you do it twice, you have to be able to have the same grades as you had before, but however they all change in difference depending on how your mood is and whatever problems you might have. So that's it for now. Thank you.